Morning everybody, it's Chris here from Student Education with the 4 majors update for the 4th of October. I'm just looking at the sterling against the US dollar pair this morning on our CTC strategy template on our preferred trading platform Metastock Pro. Just going to have a look at the daily time frame, just have a look and see what's been happening in the fortnight, and you can notice that as we've got high at close to 1600, an all-time high, the pair has started to get a bit well, has gone sideways. A lot of indecision has started to creep into this. Friday we closed slightly higher than Thursday, but still very indecisive. A lot of candles. So is 1600 still in view for more upside movement? Well, if you put your trend line on, you'll notice we're still in an uptrend. Okay, but we're being squeezed now. Okay, we haven't had any higher highs since the squeeze started. I'll just put this in so you can see it. So the ceiling level is still at 1585. A lot of wicks to the upside, but bodies still haven't closed higher than 1585. And subsequently, by not doing so, we've seen it retest this trend line and being squeezed. Very, it's being squeezed between this trend line now, this intermediate trend line. Moving average is all nicely fanned out, so it's showing, confirming a nice bull uptrend. Our CTC is also showing this uptrend. So, are we likely to see a break to the upside? Well, Asian market open has seen the pair consolidate this morning. Australian market is closed, so they'll have a large chunk of the Asian market news analysis. But what we need to see if we want to see a continuation to the 1600 mark is obviously a close higher than the previous high. In this case 1585. A nice bullish engulfing here would be great, and then we could see an extension to the ups to 1600 at least during the course of this week. However, if we don't, then we could purely see this pull back and retest a previous low, in this case the swing low at 1570, thereabouts, and then subsequently way back down here to the second swing, which is at 1555, and ultimately round down here where the 200 period moving average is at 1535. So let's have a look at our intraday time frames to see if there's any potential trades this morning. Well, you'll notice that we've had an extension on Asian market, so a pullback on the Asian market. You can see that on the 30-minute time frame. That was our high, didn't extend any higher. Subsequently, we had a lower swing to the downside, and what's doing it at the moment now is it's in the previously it found support on the 200. Now it's broken through. So is this going to be a classic setup where you're going to see pair having broken the 200 period moving average, try and break higher, fail to do so, which is now a previous support area roughly around the 1581 area or 1580-50 area, and subsequently fail to break higher and continue to the downside. So we could have down move, breakout of the support area, pullback, and then a continuation to the downside. So you can see the 50 period now coming into play, support. It's going to be squeezed now below this 200 and this 50 period now, and if we have a break or closed lower and subsequently the 20 period move over, we have our all important red arrow candle. We've gone red on the candles, now we just need red on the other side, and if that confirms, then ultimately we could look way down here at 1568 as our first target. Okay, this is a 30-minute time frame. Okay, be aware of that. Okay, if you took your swing in conjunction, you could see a possible pullback around this area, around 1577, 1576 area. You can see that the pair is being squeezed. Okay, and a breakout. So let's have a look on our smaller time frames. There again, trading below the 200 period moving average on our 50-minute time frame. Failure to break higher. This is previous high, so we can see there's a distinct change in market sentiment now. Okay, and what we're having is a squeeze setup. So break here, good test here. Ultimately, a break below that trend line would see the pair retesting the low for this period. Okay, so we need red on our side on our 15 minutes, and we are red on our 5 minutes. So we need confirmation on our 15 to look for potential short movement. Okay.